last film Krishna, and I wanted an English heroine. And I saw one dancing girl, Isha Sharwani, from Daksha Dancing Theatre School. And then I told my people to follow. Then it is a very, very tough job for a producer to get the right kind of girl over there. I remember in Krishna, I went to class, you as my English heroine, because there is an Indian boy, there is one Indian heroine, there is one English heroine. So this is a love triangle kind of a thing. So I auditioned 90 girls in UK and 110 girls in Los Angeles. See? And I spent practically 1 month. And I was tired. And I had to contact only those agents, casting agents and agencies. So very happily he accepted and we both were excited that let's have this program to talent, to hunt for a talent which is known as the glamour girl. Because nowadays the movies scenario also family or crying kind of 60s cinema or romantic kind. And the scenario stuff, the hero के character को change होते लगे और heroines के character कुछ भी आप कह लीजिए जॉब पाप तक पहुँचेगी. So when you say glamour girl, the cinema itself is a glamour, and glamour is a part of our life. There is no life without a glamour. आज सुबह तैयार हो गया घर से निकलते हैं थोड़ा glamour because you want a goody heroine. This time we are going for the glamour girl because cinema is changing into a bigger glamour. This is a good platform for the young generation to look at, to come as contestants, and for us also to reach. I told you the problem I faced in during here for a glamour girl. So
this time it will be only one person, and I mean it will be ongoing, right?
Yes, ongoing.
Okay.
Which I cannot reveal right now. What we are doing is we are looking in the UK, we are looking in UAE, and we are looking here. So it's all over. And the process will begin with taking these girls, grooming them, actually shooting the entire process, right from the girl who's been found till the absolute end, which is her debut in a Mukta Arts film.
Sorry?
In films, he will continue to make films. We make the television. We will be making the television end of it. Stars is a television show which traces the finding of the girl all the way from the time she's found till she gets cast in a Mukta Arts film.
We develop talent, we manage talent, and that is the core business we are in. And television also is a part of our business model.
I must tell you that this is the 25th year of Mukta Arts, so it's like a momentous year.
Suppose if I have a subject which has a title, Glamour Girl. See the hero? We are looking for the glamorous girl who should look larger with all those Indian beauty and those sensualities and those attractive elements which
Subhash Ghai. Yeah. Subhash Ghai.